AI is revolutionizing the field of disaster management by providing powerful tools and technologies that help predict, prepare for, and respond to natural disasters and emergencies. By leveraging AI capabilities, disaster management agencies can enhance their decision-making processes, improve response times, and save lives. One key application of AI in disaster management is predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data, weather patterns, and other relevant information, AI algorithms can forecast the likelihood and severity of natural disasters, such as hurricanes, earthquakes, and floods. This early warning system enables authorities to issue timely alerts, evacuate affected areas, and allocate resources more effectively. AI-powered drones and satellites play a crucial role in disaster response and recovery efforts. These devices can capture real-time aerial images, collect data, and assess damage in hard-to-reach areas. AI algorithms can then analyze the collected information to provide insights on the extent of damage, identify areas of priority, and aid in resource allocation and deployment of emergency services. Natural language processing and sentiment analysis also have their place in disaster management. By analyzing social media posts, emergency calls, and other textual data, AI algorithms can detect and understand the sentiment of affected individuals. This information helps authorities assess the emotional impact of the disaster and tailor their response strategies accordingly. AI-enabled chatbots and virtual assistants provide essential support during emergencies. These intelligent systems can handle a high volume of inquiries, provide real-time information on evacuation routes, emergency shelters, and relief services, and offer guidance and reassurance to affected individuals. This reduces the burden on human operators and ensures that accurate and consistent information is disseminated to those in need. Machine learning algorithms can analyze historical disaster response data to identify patterns and optimize resource allocation in future emergencies. By learning from past experiences, AI systems can provide recommendations on the most effective deployment of emergency personnel, equipment, and supplies, improving overall response efficiency and effectiveness. In our upcoming videos, we will explore AI applications in areas such as risk assessment, crisis mapping, and AI-assisted decision support systems for disaster management. Join us as we delve deeper into the exciting world of AI-driven disaster management.